Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a pretty good question. I've answered it several times before on this videos. The line between these two are going to cut twice. So I just nudged out of the way. He's working with millimeters. I'm going to take my shape. I'm going to get the shape tool. Well, first of all, let's convert that object to a curve. Get the shape tool and select these two nodes and go right click and break apart, and then take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line. Then you can move that back and it will only cut that line once because there's only one line. Now, if you had a lot of them the same size, let's make this thing 40 millimeters. Let's change our nudge factor to 40 millimeters. If you had a lot of them this size, we're going to hit the plus key and then we're going to move it over. We're going to take the shape tool. You actually have to turn it into a curve to do this. Then take the shape tool and select those two nodes and right click and break apart. And then take the virtual segment delete key and delete that. Now that you have that, you can Control D and all of them on your page will only have that line between it. Now, with that said, there is a program that I will give you, a macro invented by my mentor, Roy Brewer, that does stuff just like that. And we're going to go to Tools, Scripts, and Scripts. It's going to take just a second. And we're going to go down to TAGCUTS. Roy Brewer invented TAGCUTS. So I need to draw a square first. Doesn't really matter what size it. I'm going to open up TAGCUTS, and if I'll leave my email at the bottom of this video, and if you send me an email, so it tells you the width. So let's say we want none in the column, but we want 5 across, and create. Okay, we got to have one, I guess. And hit create. And what Mr. Brewer's TAGCUT did, now these are individual lines. If we go up to object, group, and ungroup, you can see that this line will cut, that line will cut, and these are just individual lines. And we can see that there are 6 lines, 6 objects, and you could move them around or whatever you want to. But that's TAGCUTS, and you could do it with any shape. I've made plenty of videos on TAGCUTS. Mainly it's called TAGCUTS because it's made for cutting out like name tags. So we're going to round off the corners, and we're going to go here to TAGCUTS, and watch this. It's also going to do, well, I just had it open. Oh, start TAGCUTS. There's a bunch of other stuff in here. Let's close this down. Reopen TAGCUTS module. There it is, TAGCUTS. And let's see, it's telling you the size, and we want 3 across. Let's make it 5 across and 2 down. So it did it on a curved item. So now these are individual lines once we ungroup them. And it's free for anybody that wants it. So it not only saves, the gentleman was talking about burn, because it's burning that line twice. It's saving you wood because you can butt these up to next to one another, but it's saving you a lot of laser time. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.